Hello guys, and welcome back to Angie's Table, and today we're going to be making shrimp Thai fried rice. And also I ran across something on YouTube and it was a Viet pizza.
It's like an egg crepe kind of.
Yeah, it's kind of like an, oh, I've tried one of those before.
Yeah,
yeah.
But I think that's what it is.
Okay.
Basically.
Yeah, and it's gonna be my own type of sauce. And so for the Viet pizza, I'm just gonna add whatever I have in my fridge and what I think would taste good. So let's go and check out these ingredients. So let's start off with the Thai fried rice, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do all the cutting and all the necessary prep work right now. So I really like cherry tomatoes. I really like tomatoes, not just cherry tomatoes. Tomatoes are my favorite vegetable. I really like the taste of cooked tomatoes in Thai fried rice. That's like one of my favorite parts. That and the onions are like really great in Thai fried rice. And regular beefsteak tomatoes are good too, but I've tried putting cherry tomatoes because I always have cherry tomatoes in my fridge. It's just more flavorful, so I really like adding it to all of my fried rice. And cut the basil, do some rough chops. I tried looking for Thai basil at Trader Joe's, but I couldn't find it, so we're gonna be using regular basil. I think regular basil is just a little bit more sweeter. Thai basil has a purple stem to it. They're all basil, like it's just slightly different flavors. That there. Cut the scallions next. So I'm gonna cut them a little bigger for the fried rice and a little bit smaller for the Viet pizza. So now we're gonna start cooking, and first step is to cook the shrimp. Pan on a medium high, I'm gonna drizzle some vegetable oil. Let's add in our shrimp. Very lightly cook it because we don't want it to overcook. And we're just gonna set this aside for now. Wipe that up. Okay, and next we're going to cook our veggies together. To the same pan, add more vegetable oil and add in the eggs. Scramble this all up. I'm gonna move it to this side and add in the onions right here. I like it when it can crunch into the onion, so I'm gonna make sure that it's not fully cooked. Wow, it smells so good. And then add in our tomatoes and our green onions. I'll add in my rice. So I'm using jasmine rice today. The jasmine rice doesn't have too much starch, so they all kind of separate, whereas in Korean rice is super starchy and they all stick, and you can literally eat a spoonful of rice with a chopstick. Then let's add in all our sauces. Mix this all up. And then let's add in the shrimp and the basil. forgot the sugar, so let's add that in. So we're gonna plate this a really cool way, and when you eat fried rice, sometimes the shrimp's like all at the top. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Let's lay our shrimp down. And then add the rice in. I inverted it on a plate, and now we just reveal. So before we move on to our Viet pizza, do you guys know what it's time for? Today's word of the day is 예뻐, which means pretty. And in a sentence, you can say, like for instance, if you're walking around and you see really pretty flowers, or you see something really pretty, then you can say, 와, 이쁘다, which means like, oh, it's really pretty. Or to a friend, you can say, 와, 너 오늘 되게 예쁘다, which means, wow, you're so pretty today. When you say it to someone older, you can say 예쁘시네요, or 예쁘네요, or 예뻐요. But just make sure you always add the yo at the end. And yes, there are many different ways to say it, but the point is that today's word of the day is 예뻐, which means pretty. So you can use whatever toppings you want. Like I know some people add Lefenthal cheese, which is a great addition, but we don't have it at home. And some people have like bacon and things like that on there. So it's pretty much to your taste and your liking. But I think the commonality between everyone is the scallions or the green onions and the egg, and pretty much the sauce is up to you. So I have the pan on medium, and I'm gonna add spring roll paper on here. Let's add some scallion. And add in the egg. I love the sambal sauce, so I'm gonna add a good amount of it on. Sweet and like sweet chili sauce. QP mayo. We'll flip this in half. And now it's time to eat. Let's start with, do you want one of these? Here, let me give you one.
That's really good.
Oh, it's really good.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
I was not expecting that.
This is so good. Wait, I'm so confused. I mean, obviously we use good sauces, but.
The texture is nice. It's crispy, but it's soft.
This is so good. Like, I'm not even. This is so good. Wow.
I really like it.
I love the egg in there.
I think the mayo really adds to it. Makes it the sauce
Like creamy, right? Yeah, yeah, I also agree. Let us try the fried rice next. Gotta get my tomato in there and the shrimp.
Oh, that's really good.
You like it?
You know what would be really good in it? Some kind of spice. Like if you put some kind of chili in it, or sambal sauce, I guess. It's really good.
Right?
Yeah, it's very fragrant.
Perfect.
That's really good.
Grace and I order Thai fried rice when we get pad Thai. We love spicy basil fried rice, and now you can make it at home.
Yeah, I think I could. All I have to do is add some kind of like spice to it, chili, and it would literally taste just as good.
I love how the basil taste is very subtle.
I feel like the shrimp really makes it too.
Today's meal was once again amazing, and I really hope you guys tried this out, and we'll see you guys on our next video.